Hey, are you looking for a good quality drone from Amazon? I have fixed the drones of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. This video is sponsored by couponsview.com. Here you will find all flash deal offers and coupon discount codes from various popular e-commerce sites like Aliexpress, Amazon, and others. You will get the link in the description box. So let's start the video. In at number 5, the drone is JJRC H68 drone. The JJRC H68 is a successful drone by the JJRC brand. JJRC H68 is a pretty big producer in the drone market with some very successful models. This is a powerful high-end foldable drone. It offers 720-pixel video quality. With return-to-home functionality, the drone can fly itself back, if it out of range or signal, or in low power. Already this drone price is $84.99. It has 40 minutes intelligent battery life. It comes with two 1800 mAh drone LiPo batteries in the package. The large capacity battery extends your flight time to 40 minutes. It is equipped with an upgraded 45-degree adjustable 1080-pixel camera. It is combined with an anti-shake table. Video recordings are smooth and stable. Enjoy the flying and stably record wonderful moments from the air with an awesome perspective. This drone has FPV real-time image transmission system. With the built-in Wi-Fi module, you will get a live video of your camera on your phone, making it easy and convenient to share with your friends directly. Headless mode and altitude hold for easier operation. You will not have to worry about orientation and out of control, which makes the drone easier to play. The H68 also comes with a 6-axis stabilization twist that enables constant quadruple RC drone flight. The altitude hold and the headless mode make this one of the best beginner drones for kids and adults. The JJRC H68 is easily rechargeable. It takes about 160 minutes. Both the drone and controller are foldable and rechargeable, which makes it portable. The controller doesn't need an extra battery. The drone is capable of supporting SD cards up to 64 GB. In at number 4, the drone is Dragon Touch DF01G Foldable GPS Drone. Recently this drone is $99.99. This drone has a 1080-pixel HD camera. 120-degree ultra-wide-angle lens lets you capture more stunning scenery. The air pressure altitude hold feature enables the drone to hover stably and capture more stable and clearer photos and videos. With a transmission range of 382 feet, the drone can transmit a real-time FPV view to the new generation. Two-way 2.4 GHz remote control. The foldable drone has a built-in GPS system. Never need to worry about losing your drone. The Dragon Touch GPS drone will automatically return whenever it's low on battery. It loses signal or whenever you want it by a tap of a button. Return within 10 feet of its takeoff position. It is equipped with 4 propeller guards to protect the fuselage in case of collision. 1 key takeoff and landing, headless mode, emergency stop, and 3 speed settings features let you fly, land, control speeds with a tap of a button. The drone can automatically follow you, fly around a targeted object in circles, or fly along a customized path. LED lights at the bottom of the fuselage make the aircraft look cool and colorful. Just read the user manual and watch instructional videos before use and you are ready to go. The default settings in the app are for beginners. With the app Android and iOS compatible, you can not only adjust flight distance and altitude value, monitor the flying altitude and speed in real time, but you can also pick the background music for each video before or after shooting it. The drone with a 1080-pixel camera and GPS can be folded for easier transport and comes with a free carrying case. So you can take your RC drone on your next adventure. In at number 3, the drone is JJRC X18 GPS Drone. Recently this drone price is $149.99. This drone equipped with a 2.7K HD 120-degree wide-angle camera and it can be manually adjusted at 45°. So you can view beautiful things in a radius of 500 meters and capture every unforgettable moment. The optical flow function helps to stably maintain its position for easy-to-take quality images and videos indoors. While outdoors, GPS positioning enables safety to the fly. It returns automatically whenever the battery is low, the signal is lost, or you press one key return button. The large-capacity lithium battery can last up to 25 minutes. The modular design ensures its safety and durability, let you to enjoy the fun of flying. The drone can follow you automatically or fly according to the corresponding path you draw on the app interface to free your hands for other operations. The drone has one-button start landing, headless mode, emergency stop, and novice master mode, which allows players of different proficiency levels to control it easily. The drone is equipped with 4 high-efficiency and energy-saving brushless motors, which provides strong power and will be more durable than brush motors. Reasonable deployment makes the drone fly up to level 7 wind resistance. The drone will take the remote control as the flight center and continually make a clockwise rotation around when you press the orbit mode icon, which easily achieve panoramic shooting. And at second place, the drone is Eachine X5 GPS Mini Drone. Now this drone price is $209.99. It has a 4K Ultra HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi first-person view. Eachine X5 drone builds with 4K Ultra HD camera. Each picture ensures shooting 3840 by 2160 high-resolution images and videos. With 5G FPV transmitter, save a smooth 4K video at 16 frames per second. Play first-person vision 2.7K video taken by the drone immediately in your mobile device at 25 frames per second. Electronically controlled camera function allows you to remotely adjust the shooting angle about 0 to 90 degrees by your remote control or app. GPS positioning gives you the precise positioning details of the drone, keeping track of the position of the drone and providing the automatic return function. You won't lose the drone anytime. Along with the optical flow positioning, barometer, and satellite systems, and it has a terrific return to home point and a new more precise landing technology. Brushless motor with aviation propellers for high aerodynamic efficiency, which is more quiet and longest than a brushed motor. The large capacity battery provides the drone 30 minutes flight time each charge. As long as you activate the GPS positioning function, it will always return automatically whenever the battery is low, the signal is lost, or you press one key return. This drone is very light and weighs 229 grams. Such a mini size is easy to carry. Although this drone is lightweight, it has strong wind resistance and can withstand level 4 wind, which is much better than most drones on the market. This drone has a camera steering stabilizer. It can stable shooting pictures and record videos. And at number 1, the drone is aovo Pro 4K GPS Drone. Now, this drone price is $249.99. Experience stunning 4K Ultra HD picture quality and 4K video with amazing clarity, deep contrast, and vivid colors. Feeling the incredible beauty of Ultra HD. A 120-degree wide-angle lens and the 90-degree adjustable camera can leave you unforgettable moments. It is equipped with an upgrade 11.4-volt, 2500 mAh intelligent battery. It can provide up to 30 minutes of flight time and a more stable flight effect. Just take 5 hours for charging, it is much shorter. The control distance of the 2.4 GHz transmitter can reach 1000 meters. The brushless motor reduces its power consumption, it will bring you more fun. The drone can achieve long distance of 400 meters to 600 meters live video transmission. The longest images of transmission distance can be 600 meters outdoor and unobstructed. aovo Pro can hover steadily to catch clearer images and return to home accurately under the stronger GPS positioning function. It is easier for novices and beginners. The drone equipped with functions like auto return, FPV, tap fly, headless mode, and one-key takeoff and landing. Just press one key, even little boys and girls can control it well. It is equipped with aviation propellers for high aerodynamic efficiency. Brushless motor is quieter and of longer life than a brushed motor. It has 5G Wi-Fi traffic transmission and application control. Just control the shutter button through the app. You could save the scenery and share it quickly. You may experience how fantastic it is by 5G Wi-Fi transmission. Don't worry about losing the drone, because the GPS system will record its operating location. You can check its last position on the app and find it easily. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.